Hi there guys, just a quick disclaimer saying I'm not a professional welder by some of the images you may see. But yeah, enjoy watching. Please be kind to me in the comments. Hi there guys, we're back on the LT, the never-ending project. Now, I made a bit of a boo-boo by welding this piece of metal on, and I didn't think about sorting this bit out underneath here. I should have done this first, but for some reason I didn't. So yeah, just gotta start cutting and more cutting till I get some decent metal. We'll get to some decent-ish metal. Local kids are playing football in the street, and yeah, just go from there. So let's cut this bit of woody welded in off and go from there. I love doing the same job twice. Right there guys, we've trimmed all the sill off and the inner sill. It's disappeared about up there, so you can see some up there, and then like I say, it disappears up there. No idea what I'm going to do with that, but hey, yeah, most of the bottom bit of the wheel arch comes to about there. I've had to trim off, and yeah, made a little plate up to go in its place. Just need to sit here and get bits of my face and around the edge, clean all the edges up as much as I can, then tack weld it in and then fully weld it. So yeah, let's get on to it. Well guys, it's welded in. Don't look pretty, but don't really care as long as it's in. Can we see the other side? Or is it too dark? A little bit dark, but you can generally see it. Like I say, not pretty, don't really care, to be honest. It's not a trailer queen, but yeah, just need to finish it off. I've had enough today. Now I'm going to pack up because the eyes dirty. More dirty. So yeah, I'm going to pack up, call it a day. Alright guys, there's a day on the LT. Lovely sunny day. You can't really see. But we're going at the back end now. Took the bumper off and same stuff, just lots of rust. So I've ordered the back panel and now I'll cut this out. So yeah, let's get to it. Right, the old bit's cut out, and here's what's underneath. Just lots of rust, which didn't surprise me. A few other bits need doing. Yeah, there's just little bits that have just gone. There you go, you can see a bit better. That's supposed to be in back there. Well, it's not now, so there's a hole there, and a hole here. Not sure what's underneath here. A couple of rusty bits. This is the big bit anyway. So you can just push it in with your fingers and it goes bye bye. So I'm going to clean this edge up so I don't slice my fingers on it. Try and get all this rust out, and then I just need to wait for a back panel. Should be here in the next couple of days, but well, I'll see what how it goes. So let's get cleaned. Guys, back again. I had to give up yesterday because I ran out of discs. So been B&Q, ordered 5 discs. One of them's just on there now. Yeah, I'll get back to where I was yesterday, cutting all this out. Yay. Yeah, let's say cut all this out, bring it all back to decent metal, roll new metal in, treat some of the bits that, you know, are a bit suspect, and then roll the panel in, clean all these edges up, weld the panel in, and that's the back end on, hopefully. Well, other than the 2 rear quarter bits, 5 rear quarter bits. But yeah, getting there slowly. What a sack of crap I bought. Right, a little bit of welding there, a little bit there, tiny bit over there. I ran out of discs now. Ran out of discs. And the Amazon man hasn't been, so can't do no more today. So on to another day. Hello guys, back on it another day. I think I'm on day 5, 6, 25, I can't remember. Got the sanding pads, got the cutting discs, got some more metal. It's in the van way back there. So once again, let's let me drop that. Let's clean some of this up. I've already started a little bit, and let's just weld a piece of metal straight to it. I think it's comes out about that far, about an inch or so, and then the rear back panel. Sorry, can get one. It's been a long couple of days, but yeah, let's get that done. Right there, guys. Got a bit ahead. Molded a piece of metal in, just in there. Let's see if we can see from underneath. Sort of. All the way along. We tied it up yet, but then started welding the back panel on. Doesn't look the best, but it ain't gonna come off. Started doing a bit of seam, you know, 2-inch seams every so often, but just tacked in for now on the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this episode here, I think. Yeah, maybe a part 2 to this welding montage. It's been a couple of weeks in the making, this one bit has. Been on it on and off, mainly when I got time. Really do want to get it done this year. And yeah, so we're almost there. It's got a bit of seal on one side and a bit of oil arch, and the driver's side I've got to do, and not looking forward to that. We're at 140 subscribers now, which is nice. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy it. The last video went absolutely mental for a small channel like myself, so gratefully appreciated to all the gratefully appreciated to all the new viewers, and you know, thank you very much. So yeah, I'll leave it there, guys. So if you like what you see, hopefully it won't be much more welding. Consider subscribing, liking, and all that YouTube malarkey. And what? We do have Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and all the social media things. If you've got any questions, just pop them down there and I'll try and get to you as soon as. And I'll leave it there, guys. So that, bye.